once again, there's the long driveway. I think they're open to selling that truck if you're interested. There's the 2-car garage. There's the house. This house is built by a guy named Joel Koji, who's a really well-known and respected builder. Got these double doors that are open. This is a storage room, and that's the interior of the garage, which we'll go into. And this is the house. Now, when you see it in person, because of the glass, it doesn't pop, right? But you've got all that blue. Let me get through here so you can see it. There you go. Now remember, on video, everything looks smaller than it actually is. So it probably looks like, it's big. You've got a huge, it's a coconut tree. Got a huge ocean view. You can see some homes, but it's a lot of jungle and green. Okay, so let me show you this outdoor lanai because it's a really nice part of it. This is off of the bedroom and the office room. So you got these stores. Now this is ipe wood, which is what you want in the tropics. It's the hardest wood, but huge lanai. Right, here's the door and a screen. The door has been pushed in. Right, here's the glass door, but here's screens, which you can also push back, disappearing. Okay, so this is the living room. Higher ceilings, beautiful finishes. There's the dining. You've got the split systems, which we've talked about. There's the island. There's the cooktop, which is plumb for gas. If you decided if you want gas, they have it there. One of the things they did, which was really nice and smart, is they have turned this, basically this is a pantry or more storage, right? So if you wanted or needed more storage than the kitchen close by, you could use these. Just to give you another look from this angle. And just remember, it's not coming through the glass because of the light, but the natural eye, you see the ocean. Beautiful hardwood floors. Now the primary suite is upstairs, so here the secondary, right? So here's your powder room or your half bathroom, which is very nice. This is the bedroom / office. It has its own split system. We've got an ocean view. There it is. You've got a door to the lanai, which you share with the other bedroom. It's a good size room. Pretty wide hallway. This is the access to the garage, which we'll go through. Now I call this a junior master, right? It's not as nice as the true master or the true primary, but it's a big room. It's got a great bathroom. It's got a great view of the water. Smaller closet for a master bedroom, but not too bad. Okay, So this is, you've got your hot water heater and then more storage. It's a huge storage, so that's great. They've got a lot of space in this garage. Looks like 2 freezers, a bunch of tools, ladders, and more. It's not unusual in Hawaii to have very little storage in a home, and this house actually has a ton, which is nice. Okay, let's go up. Another split system. Primary suite, which is basically this whole top floor, right? As we discussed, this gym room could be a bedroom. The laundry room could be another bathroom if you wanted to do it that way. So you've got the jungle, got your neighbors. It's not coming through. There it is, there's the ocean. Anyways, lots of ocean with your natural eye. Now this room has its own lanai. It's raining more now, so it's if you come on this side, you can still see the blue. It's a big lanai. And it's a nice room. So if you wanted to use it as a guest room, as an office, however you'd like to use it, really. Okay. Then this is the laundry, right, which was plumbed for a bathroom if you ever wanted to make that change. Not that you'd need to. And then the primary, the true master, right? You've got the vaulted ceiling, the large space. I'm so bummed not being more ocean view for you because it's so massive from up here. You can see it kind of there. You're usually just like smacked in the face with that blue. Lots of jungle. Huge lanai. Let me show you how big it is. Coconut tree, which I think I already pointed out. And I hope this is coming across in the video. Just the quality of the construction is really nice. Okay, so here's the bathroom, and you've got double sinks. Here's your second one, little makeup vanity. Shower. It's just been meticulously maintained. And then you've got a really large walk-in closet. Which is nice too. You know, the rain comes and goes, so I was hoping it would be bluer. It's probably going to be like this most of the day. Maybe for 20 minutes, though. You never know. Anyways, look at the listing photos. They'll show it. All right, and we'll talk soon. All right, aloha.